You want to show
Yes, I did my hair by myself.
that you do your edges?
No, I did my hair.
Oh, excuse me. No tea, no wine, no shade.
Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to my YouTube.
Kids.
My YouTube.
Kids.
It's for kids.
Okay. Tell them I grown people.
What you doing?
I can't believe like you're my height up here. Because if you go back in the videos, just about 5 years. How old were you 5 years ago?
5.
Were you in the videos? Did we have videos together?
Yes, we did like cooking videos.
We did a cooking. No, we did
like
vlog
shopping,
videos.
yeah.
We went shopping one day. We went to your brother's concert at school.
Yeah.
We made dinner one night.
Hmm?
So we had us a vlog show back when it was just us two.
And now it's a whole family of 5 plus a dog. Wait, they don't love you like I love you. Wait, they don't love you like I love you. They don't love you like I love you. Don't forget, like the one. No, similar to you, no, sweeter, better. Wanna let go, all of I go, but for me, there's no more. That's my favorite song.
So what am I just making? Bacon and eggs?
Yes.
Y'all,
That's it? That's all you want?
I don't got TikTok. But my CapCut got banned. And I'm sad. And I'm gonna crash out.
Okay.
Make
You
it
the
up.
one say, yeah, quick. That's fine. All
I want all that.
right.
And I'm gonna make my hash corned beef hash. You guys too if you want.
I'll try it. Put it in the trash.
Okay.
Okay.
Y'all, my CapCut is gone. Like, CapCut is over with. And I need CapCut so I can make my intros for my video and I'm gonna crash out. Like, I can't, like, that's my baby. That's my child right there. Oh, let me
Can
show
you turn
y'all.
the on?
Yes, let me show y'all my cup I got.
Okay, so I'm not going to make the eggs now because I need to make the stuff for the show.
Look at my cup. It says dream big, and then it said God D, and then I got a straw cover, and it had the D, and I had like those little things that hangs on the cup, but it broke because I was fighting my friend and I was going to. There's an ant on there. It's outside.
You better kill it.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm scared of bacon.
Where's, I need a...
What do you want? Baby, I got it. What do you want? Baby, I have it. All I have is one just a little bit. R-E-S-P-C-T. I know what it means to me. This YouTube?
Yes.
I'm about to get some juice.
Excuse me. You go on the side.
I know, I'm gonna do juice.
Okay, take it over there. Take it over on the bar, please.
Okay. Y'all so strong.
And then put Brooklyn food on the cart.
Okay.
Okay? Please be careful, darling.
I'm She-Hulk. I'm so strong. My stomach feels like all move.
Oh, what's going on?
Like,
Did you try to use the bathroom?
Yeah, and I did.
You did?
Yeah.
And it still hurt?
Yeah, but don't hurt as bad. Like, it was hurting really bad.
Okay.
This morning when I woke up, I thought I was going to throw up.
Oh my goodness.
But I just went to that room.
Okay. Keep an eye on that.
Now I need some ice.
One thing we gotta keep a lot of in the house is eggs. Eggs go with everything, whether you bake, whether you fry, whether it's breakfast, whether it's dinner, you have to keep eggs. Eggs, eggs.
Breakfast for dinner, that's why you can get eggs.
Eggs, eggs, good for the heart. The more you eat, the more you start your day with a good, healthy, balanced protein.
Well, yeah, it's not giving me this.
I tried to clean it up. That's
It
right.
was good. It was okay, but it